Nababo Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? Ako'y Luis Season, ning we're in Pampanga. Kasanting nanitang vlog na pepakit ko nandin eh. Apin po ito yung Jeju Island. So pansinan nyo, atin yung makaninita. So ala ko po kayong South Korea, pero adyo ko po kayo ng Jeju Island Samgyeopsal Restaurant. So this is the newest restaurant kay ni San Fernando, Pampanga. Asan niya ito? So it's a Korean unlimited Samgyeopsal barbecue restaurant. Newly open po, May 10, 2019 na niya mag-open la. So kami po kayo ni, we were invited para pakilala niya po kayo. Lawintala po din pamanganda, magkano yung pricing. So lungta mo po, tara. So ini po yung karelang dining area. As per kitang manager, it can accommodate around 80 to 90 person at any given time. Ini kasantingan mo naman din kaya ni, potang mangan ka kaya ni. So it's an unlimited, eat all you can, and then alaya mo naman time limit. So hanggat of course bisa ka pang magstay or bisa ka pang mangan, courtesy na mo siguro kaya tang tutuking mangan. Pero nung bisa ka pang magstay, mga yan, you can actually stay here as long as you want. O ito. So they are open from 11 AM to 11 PM, Monday to Sunday. Eventually rin abeta mo kasi magluto na lang. Okay, so this is our table. Gana-gana nga kakitsipon king table tamo kaya ni are unlimited. But not only that, so atin lang mo naman kung a la carte. Available a la carte kaya ni are kimbap. Ano, so atin lang kimbap, atin lang pong ramen, atin tteokbokki with ramen, mga nyan. So itang kakanan tamo kaya ni is in karelang unlimited barbecue. So yung unlimited kaya ni is beef, pork, and chicken for only 460 pesos per head. So rin naman din karelang side dishes. So ating corn and cheese, ating yung Korean pancake, of course ating kimchi, ating japchae, and itong kaya tamong usual yan. So this is anong sinasawari na egg roll. This is an egg roll. And then of course may kaya tamong greens. So cheesy and kabango na oh. I bet this is, you know, spicy, pero this is really, from the look of it, it's really awesome. So tama tayo. You know, so while it's steaming hot and all falling out cheese, tama tayo. O ito syempre, so when you go to a Samgyeopsal restaurant, mumuna mong utangkin na nung lahat ang meat available. So I mentioned earlier, atin na pong 3 kinds of meat kainin. So ating pork, beef, ang pong chicken. Yan, so metong-metong ang tala. Atin pong chicken marinated. Yan, wow, chicken marinated. Chicken gochujang. Of course, there's the regular Samgyeopsal. There's the regular beef. And then we also have beef marinated, and this one is in karelang pork steak. Wow, look at the size of that. Diba? So again guys, this is an unlimited restaurant, eat all you can restaurant. So it's up to you po how you can, you know, enjoy it. Kimchi. Right. Ito nga salmon. What's the name of the statue?
Name?
Yeah.
Dul Harubang. Dul Harubang.
Dul Haruba?
Dul Harubang meaning Dul, stone. Harubang, grandfather, old man.
Okay.
Stone, grandfather.
There you go. Okay. That's a trivia for us. So Sir Juon, yung owner Kenny, he's helping the customers cook here. So thank you Sir Jun. May tumbang maging popular kareng samgyupsal restaurant ngayon is kitang karelang unlimited cheese. So tingnan naman unlimited cheese i Jeju Island. There you go. Here it is. Kaman tayo na. This is a mozzarella cheese. Let's taste it. Wow. Tingnan mo yan. Madam taga Apalit yan. Ano ka lagi ma? May?
Shout out.
Shout out. Siguro kasunod may June na ma. April. Ito po Kabalenso, while we are enjoying the food here, magpasalamat kami kung Pasibayo for watching our video. What we are giving you is another option to your regular list of samgyupsal restaurant. So this is Jeju Island Korean Barbecue Unlimited Samgyupsal Restaurant. So this is along McArthur Highway. Kenya pong San Isidro, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Siguro yung pinaka landmark Kenny. If you're coming from San Fernando, bayo kayo pumiras keng San Miguel compound. To our next discovery, my name is Louie. Bye guys!